Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the languages that are used to personalize your Twitter on the twitter.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and click on the More button in the left side column of the screen, then tap on Settings and again Settings and Privacy, then click on the Accessibility button in the middle of the screen and then tap on Languages in the right side. Here you can select the display language for headlines, buttons and other text from Twitter. So tap on this button and here you can find a bunch of available languages. So all you have to do is just simply tapping on the relevant one and click on the Save button, and then the language of the whole website will be changed. You can also add an additional language. Here you can select from these preset options, but you can tap on the Show More button and select from these other options. So just simply tap on the relevant one and click on the Done button, and you can also set languages you may know, which will be based on your activity, such as the accounts you follow and tweets you engage with. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.